Next on the list, I'm off the jack. I'm back down to a moderate level. My door can open and close. My windshield washer bottle was leaking, and it's a real simple fix. I'll show you how to do it. There's a big rubber seal that the pump goes into. This is the rear one. This is the front one. All I do is put a bit of silicone around it and shove it back in the hole. You just pull it out, nothing holds it in but friction. So the rubber gets a bit dry, and when you put windshield washer in the bottle, it leaks all over the ground. So this silicone is blocked, and if I had a drill here, I would drill out the blockage, but I don't have a drill, so I just struggle. You don't need much. Just a dab on your finger, wipe it around. Bloop, 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 bloop. And stick it in the hole. Clunk. I don't know if that'll work or not. I guess we'll find out when I try to put some windshield washer in it and it still leaks on the ground. It blocked. Way to fix that is to drill it out, but I don't have my drills. You pull it out, let it dry for an hour. Oops, I'm getting the silicone in the hole. Uptake hole. And there's the hole. There's the end. You stick it in the hole. That's all it takes, huh? Yep, that's it. Now I have to put some windshield washer in and see if it leaks all over the place. Seems to be lower than the level that those little things protrude. Maybe the bottle's got a crack in it. Could be. Alright, next I'm going to take off the top of the fan shroud and change my fan clutch. I got a brand new one right there. I bought it from a vendor on eBay. Here's the box. I think I paid 150 bucks. Seemed like a nice guy, but it's deflective. Never disengages. There's my old one. Now I got a new junk one, so I got one off the dump truck. This one's got no corrosion at all. Amazing, huh? Never disengaged the whole trip back. Roaring away on that big fan, killing my water pump and my fuel mileage. Alright, that's the next thing I'm going to do. Take this off and change it. We'll get her done. Alright, new used fan clutch, sandblasted. I epoxied the spring in place. I hope it works. Anyways, I can give the other one back. Junk. See if this one disengages. There we go. Bolt that up, put the fan shroud on, and one more thing is done.